Travel isn't just about where you're going. It's also about how you get there. Because without a plan, even paradise can turn into a nightmare. But what if you could take control of your next trip before it even begins? Most travelers make the same mistake. They book flights, grab a hotel, and call it planning. But then the real problems start. Conflicting bookings, missed check-in times, lost confirmations, and that dreaded, "where are we eating tonight?" panic. But you don't have to be one of those travelers. Instead of reacting to travel problems, you can oversee your trip like a well-run project. And it's easier than you think. Think like a project manager. Your trip has stages: transportation, accommodations, activities, meals, and spending. Then use a centralized system like a digital planner, an app like TripIt or Kayak, or a good old-fashioned travel binder. Add all your confirmations, addresses, and schedules in one place, sync it with your calendar, share it with your travel group, and always have a backup, both online and offline. When you oversee your trip, you don't just avoid chaos, you create peace of mind. You'll save time, stay under budget, be ready for last-minute changes, and make space to actually enjoy the adventure. And the best part is you'll have a plan that works for you, not one that overwhelms you. Ready to stop winging it and start winning at travel?